What's up, guys? So as you can see, the sun is in my face. Starting off a new vlog today, and I'm on the farm with the chefs for the first time in my life. Yeah, it's been a while. I'm trying to get on the farm with the chefs, guys. I'm a bit nervous to do this vlog, but I'm just gonna start this intro, guys, and get ready for this vlog. So we're basically on the farm, and we have a farm tour with a few guests, and we want to show how we put passion into doing what we're doing, guys. So stay tuned, enjoy the video. Don't tell nobody that. Okay, so guys, I found the perfect lighting finally to show y'all us setting up for the guests. Well, not me, but you know, the professional. The professional, introduce yourself.
Hello, what's up? I'm Chef Humanos, and today we have a farm tour, so we're gonna have a sneak peek at what we're gonna do.
Yes, and so enjoy. I don't know what to say.
Huh?
I don't know what to say. I can't.
You shy?
And this is the second professional.
Hey, what's going on? Another professional. Just the boss, you know.
Make sure you have no girls around. Imagine that the last time you were setting up, right? And check it out, no girls mixed from us.
Come on.
Just imagine. I see asking for a video. We're going to come with the
Dry basil covering all day, guys.
Shit.
So it's my first time here, guys. So they're gonna show me what they do, because I'm not sure what they usually do. So right now we're just finished setting up and getting ready, as you guys saw. So this just goes to show that you can't only be a chef in the kitchen, you can be a chef anywhere, guys.
You
Yes.
got that right. And Chef Gabby and I will be participating in a tournament which is going to be on the 9th of February, so keep a look out for us, okay?
Yes, guys.
Look over Zambi in the past, Gabby. Go do that. What?
We're heading to the farm to collect a few stuff to add on the plate and to finish off the dish. Yes.
Imagine about caterpillar in between the cilantros there.
A big one?
Look at that. You see it?
Yeah. And during the cilantro.
See how we feel that?
These are my favorite flowers, guys. That's how they grow them. They just make the plate look more elegant. Yeah. So we need some of that. This is what it looks like exactly. Beautiful, huh? Very beautiful. More flowers, guys. And look at the bee in the flower before it stings. So. Yeah.
I'm here with Humanas.
Hello guys.
Say hi to Humanas.
Hello, what's up? You enjoyed your morning so far. Hope that you're gonna enjoy everything and keep it productive today. And it's all about the farm tour today.
Yes. And we have Gabriella.
Hi guys, I'm here for the first time and I'm excited, super excited to enjoy what these guys have to offer.
Gabriella is the new protege we have in the kitchen at Jade Mountain. She's doing very well.
The flowers which we have for our garnish. And while we go along with family,
Picking flowers,
some stores, some oranges, some limes. And you know, that's how it is.
Lots of rosemary, guys.
Beautiful rosemary, yes.
Lots and lots of rosemaries.
Yo, baby, what's going on? Wake up, baby. You don't know.
Nice greenhouse now. Tell her girl, tell her girl to get something.
Smelling so good, guys.
Dominic, bring some microgreens. Oh my goodness.
Dominic is watching the live.
Yeah.
Careful, you fall there.
Sorry?
Oh wow.
We got some more.
Mine working on the farm.
Food push, boss. Food push.
Excuse me.
Gabo, my boss asked you to eat some more food, you know.
Eat some more food, why? Why do you want me to eat some more food?
Gabo, need to eat some food. Gabo, in other words, you need to put some weight to what he's saying.
Yes! Hey, don't forget I'm around, you know. Chef, come on, Chef. Why aren't you contacting me? You've been contacting Chef Elijah for so long. I mean, come on, Chef. Come on. You don't miss your boy, Chef.
Alright, Stefan. How's my leave going for you?
Stop Dominic, the microgreens.
Send Dominic the microwave. Send Dominic the...
Send.
Yeah, get some shadow Benny. Guys, this is shadow Benny. I know you have it everywhere at your home, at your doorsteps. You throw it away, you know. And I know the only time that you go for the shadow Benny is if you have a flu or a bellyache, or you know. But the shadow Benny, you could use the shadow Benny any day, you know. Put it in your stew, your curry, your fish broth, you know. You know, I know Stefan used to like the shadow Benny, you know. I bet you don't get that in Maldives, Stefan.
And look at seasoning.
So the guests are here now, guys. We have to leave picking
Move it, hermano.
stuff
I'm moving it,
and go
chef.
show them what we
Full
got.
push, full push, chef.
Yeah.
Full push, chef. Don't make it complicated.
Hey! Alright, I'm coming! She is!
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Guys, this is how it is.
This is beautiful, guys. Edible flowers.
I'm here. Wait! Well, happy to have you guys.
Yeah, lovely to be here.
Let me start you with a little water. I got a little bubble.
Are you happy for us?
Yeah, sure, it's okay.
This is just so fascinating.
This is here.
So I've been doing this for like 12 years now.
Have you?
I'm in the farm tour and everything. So this is Gabriella. Gabriella is my new protege. Actually, from the school, into the kitchen. And she's doing very well. Today is the first day on the farm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, exciting.
So I've been doing this for so long, it's time I pass it over to somebody. So I was trying to pass it to this guy, but this guy is always on the farm with me. And hopefully that Gabriella will be his protege and not me. So I'm training him. I'm training this guy so I can take a break, Yeah. And he didn't tell you, but if you realize how he cut the line,
Yeah.
he cut it, I like to see on the bottom, like on the side. He didn't cut it right in the middle.
Yeah.
Because when you cut it right in the middle, you cut it from the top. So that's when you get the struggle of trying to get the juice out. But if you cut it, if you cut it on the side, this is when you cut it through the pot. Sometimes it's just difficult to train with guys who take it and cook already.
Yeah.
When they listen and they learn. We have a program called the Chef in School. So you have the chef and I will go to school and we learn all the food and passionate one of them and where they go. I appreciate it. It's okay, it's okay. Imagine, I'm not even doing this with you, but I can tell what's missing. This is how it is. Check if the lime and the... One of the things, the juice of the ceviche, right? And if you want to go to a restaurant, I say you eat the ceviche in the pot, I say no. You need to use food. Because you need to get all the juice in there to eat the soup, So most times you put the soup, you want to get the fish, you don't want to get the juice, the flavor. You make the ceviche and all the flavor is what's in the soup right now. I'm sure you will want it.
No, we won't more.
Yeah,
This is
cost.
Yeah.
Every night tablecloth,
I love the tablecloth.
It's amazing. There you go.
You want to honest? That was something.
Where do you get your olive oil from? What do you serve?
We still do the same service on the family. We still get the same chef. So the kitchen is serious. Yeah. Especially I can only speak for my result. But we have Okay. Yeah, but you do have the time. I mean, what will you do? I mean, this phone will ring like crazy. Yeah. I need this. I need that. Can you? You have to look around.
That's just okay.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm making a salsa. I just add some garlic, some olive oil, and a little pinch of salt.
A little pinch of salt.
Yeah. Nice and simple.
What do you like eating?
Pardon?
What do you like eating best? Not mac and cheese.
Dumplings.
Dumplings.
Yes. Similar to mac and cheese.
And do your parents get you to do a lot of cooking? Or?
Yeah, I do a lot of cooking. My
Yeah.
whole family does cooking.
Oh,
My
do
grandmother
they?
is a chef. He has her own restaurant.
Your mum?
My grandma.
Or your grandma? Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
So do you find cooking at James is quite different to the food that you would, like your grandma would cook?
Not
Because
quite.
you're cooking for, so is it similar food even though you're cooking for a lot of tourists really, aren't you, at James?
Yeah, it's a lot different.
Yeah.
A lot more to explore, a lot of garnishes, a lot of experience.
Yeah.
I
And
really
obviously
enjoy.
the presentation's a certain sort of presentation as well,
Yeah,
isn't it?
I love presenting my food because I love to plate and explore with food and
Yeah.
that's great.
Okay, I've done my own secret remedy right here.
That is amazing. Oh, look at that.
But I want to ask, have you been at the resort before?
No.
Okay. Now you're gonna come back again.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna place my shrimps into the pan. Look in here. And all that garlic paste, I'm not letting that go.
No.
That's what my grandma taught me.
Yeah. Use everything.
Yeah, because
So this is right here. And when you crack the coconut, then you get the white flesh.
Yeah. So this is the green version, but just been allowed to
yes, it's dry.
mature.
It's dry, so you guys get
It's dry in curry.
I'm putting the extra flavor in. Extra. What's my extra? You know? Reminds it.
Oh.
Oh, I got a zester too, it's okay.
That's a good zester.
So, I'm watching and I know exactly what's missing. There we go. Now we're ready. Yes.
Do you have fun whilst you're working? Do you fight? Or
Oh.
is it?
And give a class to school.
The cooking school.
No, it's the secondary school.
Okay.
The same school I found her, you know.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so hopefully one day I'll find another Gabrielle.
Oh, fabulous.
Yeah. So tomorrow I go to the school, I give a class. And at the end then we have the competition coming up for the junior competition. So we get to select who goes for the junior competition. But this one is not her level, it's the school level.
Yeah.
So we have the school level and we have the level which is on the 9th, on the yeah. So I do a lot, I do more charitable work on my
I have a beautiful bar and in one to one. I said to you want to be a chef, but I don't think you want to be a chef. I don't know how to cook and we want to compete. Yeah, and I say, you can be a chef. I want to be a chef, I want to be so interesting. So I can't really put I'll get the one day. What can I say? I want to choose what you want to do. I want to be to cook everything. If I tell you the school dish, I'm not into it. If I do have a friend of mine who has a mom had a restaurant, and she's very good at money, send the chef school and came back and told us that I don't want to do it. I mean, he did because he was our son who was like, who's a restaurant. So I wanted to go to our restaurant one day. Yeah, I would like to go to our restaurant. I don't know what he's going on. I know he's running a restaurant. Yeah. But his mom still has to run a restaurant. Yeah. When you try and choose your children,
Don't want to stop them.
Oh no,
Free
it's
time.
okay. We actually enjoying it. Yes, so it's okay. And
Thank
it's
you
experience
so
for
much.
Gabby, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We will see you soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy the rest
We'll make
of your
ourselves
day.
known. We'll be
You're
alright.
welcome. Thank you.
Great job, guys. Emma, I'm proud of you.
If you still very proud of me, I want to go chef.
Oh, Gabo, the thing about her, man, he talks too much sometimes, but today, it was nice. I like the presentation, Gabo. And it was all you know. Don't feel him.
It's okay, chef. Oh, yeah, you will forget the bag.
What? What the background?
And a great experience.
Uh,
Really enjoyed.
That's the guy. It's the fun we have on the party. It's romantic.
So guys, sorry for the long view of us doing our thing, doing what we're doing. We are done. The guests are gone. We are just gonna clean up now, then head home and then head to work later. So yes guys, just gonna end the vlog right here. We'll be back with more videos like this. We are out.
Yep.